Here we are in our RV, whose name is Spirit's Guide, and this spring we noticed some damage inside. It was raining in the RV, and then once summer came along we realized it's because the vent covers were cracked and broken. Number 1 was cracked and broken in the bathroom, vent number 2 in our bedroom. Oh look, blue sky. So we made a decision. Hey there! Looks like we've got some sort of work project going on. Took it upon ourselves to, when I say we, I mean he, to rip out the ceiling and start all over again. Well, a majority of the insulation was fine. We decided now was a great time to pull it off and replace it with an eco-friendly wool insulation. So bye-bye 12-volt electronics. Maybe you'll get an upgrade too. To be continued.
AC 4.5 inches.
AC 4.5 inches.
Speakers 5 inches.
Speakers 5 inches.
Try. All kinds of, where's that coming from?
Oh my gosh.
Babe, watch out, this is going out the door.
Out the door. Nice snarl for the camera, sir. Hi, Bill. Great sound effects. Ooh, the bathroom was yuckies. Yuckies, yuckies. So it rained a little bit when you pulled down the ceiling, huh?
A little bit. You're gonna get rejected because there's music in the background.
Nah, it's less than 30 seconds. Another piece bites the dust, babe. Glad to see you wearing your dust mask. That's so grody. That's black as black can be. Hey, well that part was easy. Alright, it's time to tear out the bedroom ceiling. This is exciting.
Right there.
It's like it's all just kind of like setting there.
Yeah.
Because the weight of the TV was on the bracket. Or is on the bracket. Is this your idea of a great Sunday night?
Oh, yeah.
It's like better than dating. Got a little sweat going on, huh?
That's on there.
Did you take out the light bulbs?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing that right now. Cool. Make it rain, babe. This should be good. We weren't joking when we said that it
Pretty
rained.
good though.
Yeah, actually that looks great. Must have just been moisture that caught on this lip here.
Yep.
All right. Okay, make it rain, babe.
Well, it's gonna come in pieces.
Watch your fingers.
Oops. Ah, shit.
For a moment there, your hammer was like a ram with his horn stuck in a fence.
Trident of Poseidon.
Trident of Poseidon. We're already in town. Bad language alert. All right, last section, bound to be the most exciting. Rain had to go somewhere, right?
Insulation's pretty good so far.
Looking not bad.
It's in the corner.
The corner's looking bad.
I haven't seen it yet, but that's where it's all mush.
Ew. It looks like Halloween. Ew, that's yuck. Oh, you just knocked down the balance.
Yeah. Oh, I can smell it.
Ooh, yeah. It means we've got... Oh, yeah. I think at this point in time, I probably should go out because I can smell the mold pretty badly.